Alright guys, so this is a super beginner friendly texture sprayer gun, and I'm gonna show you how to get started, but first I'm gonna show you how it really performs. So look at that. Alright guys, so you have your Homax texture pressure system. I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up. I have my compressor here as well. Make sure it is set to not more than 70 psi going to the sprayer system. You're gonna get it in a box like this. Alright, and then what I like to do first, I'm gonna load this up first, and typically I'll use the small size, number one. Just put it here like this, and now just screw this one on just like that. And now you're gonna spray, and when you're done, just gonna pop this up, and this is gonna save you another hour or two before starting again. But obviously if you leave it overnight, go ahead and wash the whole thing. Now, since we're here, I'm gonna show you how to open this up. You just pull this one here, and now drag this out, just like that. This opens, and right here, you need to put this thread right here. So you're gonna have two of them included. I'm gonna use one. I'm just gonna get it installed here, all nice and flush, and this goes back. So put it on. First I like to put this one on before locking it from the other side. All right, just like that. This one goes back, this pin right here. Make sure it's secure. And now I lock it down from this side. All right, we're done with the front piece. Now on the back, I'm just gonna unclump it from here, obviously, just like that. And you're also gonna get two gaskets like this. One goes straight here. Make sure you put it nicely. And now, before going forward, obviously you're gonna get these cartridges. Just make sure you cut it straight, not on angles, just on a straight line, just like that. Make sure it's nice and even and straight. Now you're gonna get this one included as well. What you want to do is just get it inside and make sure you make this open all the way inside. The whole thread opens up. When you got that done, just make sure it's fully open. Just get it, load it in, just like that. Make sure it's all the way to the front, like that. Now this one clumps in. Okay, all right, we're good here. Now, this is a pressure regulator for the actual gun, and make sure you don't go more than 20 psi on this side. I mean, you can regulate it between 5 and 20 psi until you get the texture you're looking for, right? So now you're getting also this right here. This is gonna turn off and on the air pressure from your compressor. So this one first goes in, and now the whole deal goes to the compressor, right there. And when you do it like this, it's gonna be all open and close, obviously. All right, and you're all ready to go. You get some extras here as well. You got this one for cleaning. Make sure you clean it nice and clean after each use, basically. And this is pretty much it for this one. All the links are gonna be in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Peace.